Okay, might help someone, you never know. I'd already done this before, but I noticed the paint hadn't adhered to it properly. So I've been grinding the thing back, and I've used this stuff, rust converter, so you just angle grind it all the way back to the rusty metal. Then you treat it with that. It might want about 2 coats. I've noticed in the channel it's not too bad, it's a bit bubbling up, and underneath I'd already made a galvanised strip which I bonded underneath there to reinforce it. It wasn't rotten all the way through, but what I've done, this is off an old, you can use anything, an old bit of metal off of a washing machine, you know, with the sides like a little angle bit. This is off an old boiler panel, and I've cut it, it's about 20mm from there to there. I've left the angle at the top, and as you see I've just moulded that bit, and I haven't done the whole length because it's not long enough. And that, see, it's going to go in there. Then I'm going to use this stuff, adhesive, blob it all the way along, blob, 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 blob. I'm just showing you a basic video, and then I shall clamp it up somehow with some little G-clamps or mole grips or whatever, and as you can see that's going to go in there like that. All I've got to do is make this bit here. This is the metal I'm using, as I said. There's my angle grinder, so I just put the 1mm disc on to cut the metal, and this is the stuff I'm using. You could use, say, off of a washing machine, old piece of metal, but that's got more or less the right height to go up the other side. I'm going to measure about 30 odd to 32 centimetres, 20mm, cut along there with a thing, and the same thing there. I shall bond that into this corner piece here, that way. I mean, it's and then I'll paint over this. I'll probably put some hammerite, nice silver hammerite over that once it's all off.